Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chat, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support. And if you're new, you're welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss anything that I'm going to upload next on this channel. Well guys, if you know the story, some twins guys are trend kakhulu laphana ke ku social media, and this trend ke not eMzansi kuphela kodwa ke even nakwamanye amazwe. Ama twins ke lawo athi ahlukaniswa ngesikhathi kushona abazali. So guys, usisi ke wahamba ke wayofuna ubhuti wakhe, wamthola ke engasekho ke esimweni esi right, wathola ukuthi ke use involve kuma drugs. And ke guys yabo siyacela ukuthi abantu ke abamsize, bamusize ngokuthi ke ahambise umfowabo rehab ukuze ke ezothola ke usizo. So guys, yeah, man, yo, it was a very sad story, but ke guys finally utholile ku usizo. I-team yaka Tranquility, yeah guys, i-team le lapha yana ke ku uyaphuza imsizile kumfana ke uhambile ke waye rehab, of which we are hoping ukuthi ke njengoba ke esebuya khona ke izinto zakhe ke zizolunga futhi ke ngike esabuyela emuva. Nansi ke i-video yakhona.
So yeah guys, I was trying to put a video yalo sisi explain ukuthi ke what happened, but unfortunately guys, in background music engavumelekile kwa YouTube, so it giving me a copyright strike. So yeah guys, what she was actually saying ukuthi ke wa receive a call from uhlelo uyaphuza leli eli hostwa usesunomsa Buthelezi Shezi. So guys, uthi ke bafika ke bazomthatha ke ubrother wakhe ne show yakwa Moja Love uyaphuza, bamthatha ke bamusa ke kwi rehab yaka Tranquility, la ke athi ke bafike bamsiza khona ubrother wakhe. And wasethi ke after ke ishow leyo noma ke after ukuya kwakhe rehab ke guys, uthi umfowabo use clean, and we are hoping ke guys ukuthi he won't go back to that life again. We wish them all the best guys. Isitoro sabo sasithinta kakhulu.